Hey crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Floki Inu. And what do we have on an update on the Floki Inu today? Let's have a look at the price, at what is going to happen with the coin and what happened with the Bitcoin. Most of you already know that the Bitcoin just made a little jump, I would say. That's not a pump, it's nothing, and that's all happened because of one single sink. So let's have a look what happened to the Bitcoin, why it decided to go up a little bit, as the regional banks extend losses and some paused due to the volatility, and the Bitcoin made up at 2%, while the quick take several regional bank stocks were halted due to the volatility on May 2nd after dropping more than 25%. And I think the jump and the growth will continue definitely on the Bitcoin right there, as well as it will take other meme coins. We know that the Doge Lamar just made a pretty good pump, and we could see that on the charts. So let's just go like maybe top 200, I would say. Okay, it's on a top 300. Yeah, top 300. Here we go. The day chart is 10% up, and on our chart it's definitely falling down. We could see that like recovering and correcting, and then it will be recovering and probably going up again. And the same happened to the Floki, and it's definitely, as I said to you yesterday, is going to go up as it already hit its low position and it's recovering right now. So after a huge correction from the Binance US listing that we've got, we are getting the price to go up and recover from the losses we had. I wouldn't call it a loss, but still we dropped a pretty good amount in the price, but it's still not that low that we had. So here we see the Binance US listing, and let's have a look at the news. So the Elon Musk effect, now that's not this one. So want to list your project on Binance. We are looking for an actual Binance listing, but as we could see, the Floki Inu was listed on the Binance US, and after that we got a pretty good pump of the coin, like a huge explosion, and then the correction. And right now we're looking for a recovery, so it's probably going to go up. So let's just go to the charts. Floki Inu, let's go on a KuCoin. You can actually trade Floki Inu on a KuCoin by my referral link. I'll leave it down in the description. So here we're looking at the drop it had over here on a 5-minute chart. So we have to see that it dropped a pretty good amount, and right now it's looking for a recovery. What I'm about to say, let's go on a 4-hour chart, so it would be way better to see this one, how this all happened. And we could see this pump from the Binance US, and then an actual recovery over here, which is probably is going to go a little bit up. It's not going to recover much, and it's not going to go up to that position, but little by little, when the Bitcoin is going to go to $32,000, we're going to see the Floki is going up, and I would actually buy it at this position. So just to make a little profit, because Bitcoin is definitely going to go up, and we're expecting Floki to get some money. And I also would bet a Floki on the futures, which I'm definitely going to do. I'm going to put it up, so it's going to go up, and I will be looking for some profits from it. I'm not going to go for like 20x or something like that. I will put it on a 5x in case it just decides to correct even more, but I think the Bitcoin is going to 30k at least right now in a couple of days, and Floki is going to like show some upper momentum where we are going to see it like making some profits, and I'll put it on the futures. I'm not going to buy it on a spot trading because we already know the price was way lower, and after the market will drop to 25k of a Bitcoin and maybe even 20k, that's the time when I will buy it, as I already was buying at the way lower positions, little by little diversifying it for a future. I could actually sell right now and take some profits already, but I've decided just to wait a little bit longer until the bull market, and I'm like adding little by little, trading on the futures, taking some profits, and from that profits I'm buying the coins on a spot trading. That's the best strategy. Don't put your futures on like 20x and to gain a lot of gains. Yes, that's cool, but you can actually lose it quickly. But if you put it on a 2, 3, 4, 5x, which is maximum 5x I put, that's the maximum gambling I can handle I still get a nice profits from the coins. Like I put $100 in, I get around the 10 to 50% from a coin for it jumping up, and I put this like $10 to $50 on the spot trading at a way lower price. And once I bought right here at the 10 digits on the 4 zeros at a $10 rate, if it goes back to the previous all-time high sometime later, it will be 30x. So my $10 would become $300, which is crazy. And that's little by little I'm adding each single day, and by stacking it like let's say $100 a week, that will be 1 year, that will be a lot of money. 5,400 if I'm not wrong. 5,400 is probably what it is. So $5,400, 30x, that's already around $200,000 just of a profit when it goes to the all-time high. Just little by little, by diversifying, I'm making $5,000 into $2,000. Just imagine how crazy that is, and that's how most of the traders get in their money in the cryptocurrency market. So that's what we got in the Floki Inu. If you want to trade on the Floki Inu, just go down the description, KuCoin, no KYC, so you can trade, and do not think about the taxes. That's what we got on the Floki Inu today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.